Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we've got something really exciting to unbox, the Onetouch digital door lock. These are some key features listed on the packaging, and on this side are got some few other details. So let's open the box and see what's inside. As we open the box, the first thing you'll notice are two booklets. One is the user manual. This contains step-by-step instructions for installation, and second is the cutout manual. This is especially useful during installation. Next, we've got a small accessory box. Inside this, you'll find the essential component for installation. Moving on, there's a mortise box. This is a crucial part for the locking mechanism. And finally, the main highlight of the box, the Onetouch OT630 lock panels. So let's unwrap this premium looking outer panel. It features a premium design with a fully electroplated finish, ensuring not just a stylish look but also long-term durability against weather. The inner panel, on the other hand, it usually houses the battery compartment and manual locking option. The design is kept clean and user-friendly. Now let's take a closer look at what's inside the installation kit box. The first thing you'll get will be two mechanical keys. After that, you'll get an installation kit bag which includes all necessary screws and mounting parts. After that, you'll also find a remote controller. Along with that, there's a two set of AA batteries. And lastly, you'll get two RFID cards allowing quick and secure access just with a tap. Now moving on to the mortise box, which contains the core mechanical part of the locking system. There are two striking plates, a plastic cover which is placed below the striking plate, and this is mortise. This is the central mechanical body that goes inside the door. And lastly, there's a screw bag. With this all parts, we are now set to move